Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to revert messaging app back to Samsung Messages quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You'll usually find it on your home screen, but if it's not there, swipe up and check your Apps drawer. It's the gear-shaped icon. Step 2. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll down slowly and tap on the Apps option. This section lets you manage everything about the apps on your phone, including permissions and defaults. Step 3. Next, from the Apps screen, you'll need to find Choose Default Apps. Tap on this to continue. This is where you decide which apps are used by default for things like calling, browsing, and messaging. Step 4. Now scroll down until you see the SMS app option. Go ahead and tap on it. This tells your phone which app to use when sending and receiving text messages. Step 5. You'll now see a list of messaging apps that are installed on your phone. From here, simply select Samsung Messages. That's it. Your phone will now use Samsung Messages as your default texting app. Step 6. To make sure it worked, go back to your home screen and open the Samsung Messages app. You should see all your texts there. But if something doesn't look right or the switch didn't go smoothly, no worries. Step 7. Just restart your phone. Press and hold the power button along with the volume down button until you see the power menu. Tap on Restart, then Confirm. Your phone will reboot and everything should be working just fine with Samsung Messages back in action. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.